Good day, everyone. I am Jameline Bundagang from BSED Math 3D, and our topic for today is all about order of the groups and its subgroups. So the following are the list of subgroups. First, our improper subgroups is S is equal to D, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, G, O, N, A, L, Y, F, and D. And for our proper subgroups are S sub 2 is equal to D, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. S sub 3 is equal to D, 8, F, Y. S sub 4 is equal to D, 4, 8, 12. S sub 3 is equal to D, V. S sub 6 is equal to D, F. S sub 7 is equal to D, Y. S sub 8 is equal to D, L. S sub 9 is equal to D, E. S sub 10 is equal to dn, S sub 11 is equal to do, S sub 12 is equal to dj. So for our S sub 13 is equal to d, the trivial subgroup. So the order of contains 6 elements are the divisor of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. So the orders of the subgroups of the group within 16 elements are also 1, 4, 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. So the subgroup of order number 1 is S sub 13 is equal to D. And the subgroup of order number 2 is S sub 5 is equal to DB, S sub 6 is equal to DF, F sub 7 is equal to DY, S sub 8 is equal to DL, S sub 9 is equal to DA, S sub 10 is equal to DN, S sub 11 is equal to DO, S sub 12 is equal to DJ. And for the subgroup of order number 4, S sub 3 is equal to D8, F, and Y. And for the subgroup of 4 is equal to D4, 8, and 12. And for the subgroup of order number 16, S is equal to D4, D2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, DO, J, and A, L, Y, and L, Y, F, and D. And that's all. Thank you.